here's part 2, violin and vocals for the alma mater. Okay, so it goes 1, 2, 3. Home of courage, home of pride, home of virtue, Judah disobey. Hearts of hearts free to believe in all we can be. Ever loyal, ever true, ever brave, that is witness to you. Alma mater, you know we see. See you again, you live in me. Home of courage, home of pride, home of friendship, you just obey. Fill our hearts with hope and always set free to believe in all we can be. Ever